Guys, meet my second bike, the Kingbird 150cc. From my previous bike, the GTI 150cc, I saw the need for a bigger frame, and so I got the Kingbird 150cc. There's not much different in the two bikes, except for the frame size. Both of them were powered by a 150cc engine. There's not much to love about this bike, and so just had to sell it off again after using it for a couple of months. The reason being, I just wanted to upgrade again. Stay tuned to meet my third bike. I tell you, it's only gonna get better. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. What's up guys, meet my first ever bike, the GTI 150cc bike.